Hey guys, in previous videos we learned how to say hello in Russian by different ways. Today we learned how to say bye in Russian. So let's start. First way how to say it easily, just ordinary way to say bye, we say пока, пока. Пока just like bye. Or you can say also пока, пока, like пока, пока, bye bye, пока, пока. And this is informal way, so you can say to your friends. How to say it in formal, polite way? We say до свидания, до свидания, до свидания. Actually, до свидания, that's if we translate to Russian, it means like till the date, like till the date next time when we meet. Also, you can say just хорошего дня, хорошего дня. Хорошего дня means like have a nice day. Хорошего дня. Or you can say всего хорошего. Всего хорошего also means like all the best. Всего хорошего. Всего хорошего. Or удачи. Удачи. Удачи or счастливо we translate like good luck. Удачи. До завтра. До завтра. Till tomorrow. До завтра. Something similar like до встречи. До завтра. До завтра. Till tomorrow. Увидимся. Увидимся. Увидимся means see you. See you. Увидимся. Увидимся. Also, you can say давай. Давай. No, давай, пока. Давай means actually in Russian, if we translate it, it means like let's do. Also like goodbye. We also say this. I use it very, very often. I think in most of cases I say like давай, пока, увидимся. Or на связи, на связи. It means like we will call or text each other later. На связи, на связи. Other ways how to say maybe slang ways, we can say до свидос. До свидос is kind of sound rude. Please don't use it. But again, between men, maybe that's fine. I also can say this, but only like a joke. Cute way to say bye, we can say покасики. I also say it, I say it kind of often, like покасики, like diminutive to пока, покасики, like just a cute, nice form. So, guys, save these words if you learn Russian, and also in comments I will give all the information how to book classes with me. If you are interested in learning Russian with me, have a good day.